Hey, happy Saturday out there, everybody. It's Keith from Jets PC, so that means it's another episode of Retro Saturday. Today, for all us Linux fans, I wanted to bring your attention to a potential overreach, basically, of either the courts or the legislative branch trying to restrict open source software under the guise of export of protected technology. Basically, in the courts, there was a case, Bernstein versus the U.S. Department of State in 1996. The plaintiff, Bernstein, basically petitioned the government saying that the overregulation of his encryption software was a violation of his First Amendment free speech rights. The court upheld that idea, saying basically that the government couldn't restrict encryption software under the guise of technology controls or export controls, and that precedent has stayed put in courts until now. Well, as we've seen, the court or the legislature wants to rewrite history, basically, or overturn existing case law. And they're coming after the potential to restrict open source software that's contributed globally. I mean, everybody contributes to Linux and enjoys it and makes corrections to it or improvements. But under the current guise of export controls, they're trying to restrict it and force it more the potential to force it more into a corporate compliant edition of software that will turn around and cost money. So, keep an eye on either court decisions or court rumblings or legislative attempts to restrict open source software out there and, basically eliminate or potentially severely restrict what Linux version you can use. Just something to be aware of and keep an eye on. Thanks for tuning in. By all means, come by the shop. We've got Linux laptops or desktops in stock. We're Jets PC, 7543 Grissom Road, Suite 121, and we're open Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 7. Thanks for tuning in. Y'all have a good weekend.